Imagine stepping into a classroom in the 1970s or 1980s. For decades, political science was dominated by Western theories, mostly written by men, mostly focused on Europe and North America. But then new voices began to rise. Women, scholars from Africa, Asia, and Latin America, and critical thinkers asked, whose politics are we studying? Whose voices are missing? This marked the beginning of a new era, contemporary developments in political science, where gender, race, identity, and global South perspectives reshaped the discipline. Welcome back to the Learning Studio. This is our political science series, and today's lecture explores contemporary developments, post-colonial, feminist, critical, and postmodern approaches that expanded the boundaries of the field. And don't forget, in our next episode, we'll turn to one of the most urgent issues of our time, democracy and its challenges, and how political science helps us understand and protect democratic institutions in an age of authoritarian backsliding. Post-colonial approaches. Post-colonial thinkers challenged the Eurocentric bias of political science. They asked, why are Western experiences treated as universal? Scholars like Frantz Fanon, Edward Said, and others highlighted the political struggles of the Global South, colonization, independence movements, and development challenges. Post-colonial approaches demanded that political science include the histories, perspectives, and knowledge systems of Asia, Africa, and Latin America. Feminist political theory. At the same time, feminist scholars exposed how politics had long ignored half the population. They revealed how laws, policies, and even political theories often reinforced male dominance. Feminist political science brought issues like gender equality, representation, reproductive rights, and domestic labor into the political spotlight. Thinkers like Carol Patman and Iris Marion Young showed that the personal is political. Family, gender roles, and identity are inseparable from politics. Critical theory. Then came critical theorists, influenced by the Frankfurt School. They argued that political science must go beyond neutral facts to question power, ideology, and domination. Critical theory examines how media, culture, and institutions shape inequality, and it insists on a moral responsibility to challenge oppression. Postmodern approaches. Postmodern political science broke with grand theories altogether. Postmodernists argue that there is no single truth about politics, only multiple perspectives shaped by language, culture, and identity. They challenge rigid categories like state, citizen, or rational actor, asking us to see politics as more complex and fluid. These contemporary developments opened the discipline to new questions and new voices: post-colonial, global South, decolonization, alternative knowledge systems. Feminist, gender equality, representation, and the politics of everyday life. Critical, power, ideology, and social justice. Postmodern, multiple truths, identity, and complexity. Together, they remind us that political science is not just about states and institutions. It's about people, culture, justice, and inclusion. And that's the story of contemporary developments in political science, a field that now speaks with many voices across continents, genders, and perspectives. In our next lecture, we'll focus on democracy and its challenges. Around the world, democratic institutions face threats from authoritarianism, populism, and declining trust in politics. How can political science help us protect democracy in the 21st century? Don't forget to subscribe, check the playlist link below, and join us on this journey as we uncover the living, evolving story of political science. This is the Learning Studio, where learning never stops. See you in the next episode.